Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am the Grand Cat and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to easily complete Codebreaker. Now obviously Codebreaker is a little bit of a problem because you're basically playing a little game called Mastermind, but there is solutions to it and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how to do it easily. Now this here is the Mastermind solver. Instead of having all of these, you just simply replace all of these with, just delete them all, just go up, comma, down, he wrote with an E, left and right. There's 4 pegs, allow duplicate, then you click start, then you try right, down, up, right, and then say you get 2 of these were correct, 1 of them was right but it was in the wrong column, and then it starts giving you, okay, we'll try left, right, up, etc. So that is how we used to do it. However, someone has made the effort to actually simplify this, and this here is the website right there. I'm going to be linking that in the... It's going to be in the top comment, and hopefully, if I remember, it should also be in the description. It is wscdb.com/codebreaker-solver, and that is how you access this. And basically, this is just, it even says here in the disclaimer that this is just Mastermind Solver made by Nebu Pokins, who's made theirs. They've just simplified the version to work with the WWE Supercard game mode. So this is exactly all you need to do. Now, you can skip between these two, you can skip between the 2 different screens, but what I like to do with it is, this isn't the same for everyone, but on Android phones, on my particular Android, you can press this button here in the top right corner, and it gives you a minimized version of the screen, which you can then use as a dual screen. And we're just going to shove this over here, and let's just jump in, and we will show you exactly how this works. Nice and simple. So I'm going to put in 0 effort whatsoever. Not going to even think. I'm just going to follow exactly what the code says. So it says left, then right, then left, and then down. And that is 2 and 0. So that is 2 in the tick column and 0 in the little dot. Then we click next, and it's going to give you the next one. So it is left and then 3 downs. And I'm just going to follow exactly what the computer says. So left, down, down, and down. There you go. There was only 1 of the dot this time. And now the next one is right, right, left, up. Now it's not guaranteed to work every single time, but it does work a lot of the time. And there is 2 and 2. So it's got all 4 of them correct, it's just got 2 of them in the wrong order. So now it's going to swap over the up arrow to the far left and see if that makes it happy. Let's go up, right, left, and then right. And that is all 4 of them correct. And then to reset it, you simply go back up here and you just click the little reset button, and then it just gives you that again. Now, the browser that I'm using here is called Brave. The reason that I'm using Brave is because it just eliminates all ads from any websites. So I don't know if this website would normally have ads, but if it does, they are completely removed for me. If it doesn't, then it will act exactly the same as it does normally. And then it's just a case of getting your draft picks out of the way, which we'll just do very quickly. And then we'll do another game just to show you exactly how easy this is. Now, from what I've been told, Supercard isn't entirely happy about this method. At least they weren't in the beginning. I think since then they are largely aware that most people use some form or version of Mastermind Solver. So I think it is safe to talk about. It is not a very well hidden secret. There's no cheating involved. You're not using any alternate programs. You are literally just have a different website up on your screen, and I believe that it is another Supercard YouTuber that is the one that is responsible for this page. So if it is acceptable with him, I reckon it's acceptable for everyone, so I would just like to make sure that everyone has a level playing field, and if everyone is using this, then I want to make sure that everyone in the Grand Cat Grand Fleet is all aware of how to do it, and how to use it as well. And as you can see here, I'm just putting in zero effort whatsoever. I'm literally just following exactly what the code is telling me to do. So this is down, right, right, and up. There we go. It has almost solved it. It's now swapped the up and the down to the opposite sides. And that should be enough. Up, right, right, and down. There we go, another perfect game. You can actually just do this without the computer. I've done it many times where I've just hard played Mastermind, but by the end of the 4th day, you are sick of doing the equations in your mind, and it just becomes so much more helpful to get someone else to do that for you. And if that other person is a computer that isn't going to make mistakes, it's not going to make human errors, then all the better. And as you can see here, I'm not using any point doublers at all. I always said I was going to play this Jey Uso event very casually. And of course, anytime that you complete it, you just scroll back up to the top, click reset, and then just move right back down to where you are. And if you make any mistakes, there is a back button as well. So you can fix any mistakes that you make. There you see there's the undo button that's above the next button. So if you do the wrong thing, you just simply press undo, and it gives you the ability to go back on if you've made a mistake or some sort. And literally you just put in the numbers that it tells you to put in. So that was a 2 and a 1 there. So this is now left, right, down, and right. And hopefully up, left, left, right should be enough. There we go, another perfect game. And that is just how easy it is to complete Codebreaker using this little method. And there you see I went from having essentially not played the Jey Uso event to being in the top 10,000 after just a couple of games. It's really that simple and that easy. So if you do want your Codebreaker event cards, this is the easy method to go and grab them. Of course, maybe you could just move that out of the way a little bit so that you can easily hit that select all button. And since we've now got a Tribal Cheeks token, we can go into collectibles here. I'm just going to minimize that for just a second. And we've got 100 of these, so we're going to claim this. And let's see what Tribal Chief member we get. It is a Tamatonga, which is again another new card. So the only one that we are missing so far is Jacob Fatu, and then after that we are guaranteed to get a Pro. But that's going to be it for this little video, folks. I really hope that you all enjoyed, and if you did enjoy it, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. And if you are subscribed, make sure you click that notification icon so you can see when more of these glorious little videos go out. And we shall see you all in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.